Good morning everybody. It is the last day of Navratri, so today I'm going to make Parsad or Prasad or Mohanboug. I'm going to make sweet rice and I'm going to make Lapsi and Suhari. I'm not sure if I will make Tilli cake yet. I'm going to try. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, that's basically it. And I'm going to do one different thing when making my Parsad today. I am going to use only milk, like full cream milk, to replace water. So that syrup that I would usually make to pour into my parched cream of wheat, I'm going to only use milk. So that's different. So let's get straight to it so that this video wouldn't be super long. And yeah, I'll just show you guys how I'm going to go about making this just really quickly, and I'll try to put everything in the description. But all my recipes is on this channel anyway. So let's get to it, guys. It's already after 7 a.m. and I want to finish way before lunch, so I'm gonna go straight into it. My rice with sweet rice because that's gonna take the longest. It's washed. It's about a quarter cup of rice. I will put on the description. I'll put all my measurements, and I have a pot here for my Parsad. This one is for my syrup and this one is for my cream of wheat. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in some ghee and put it to melt. Once your ghee is melted, you're gonna add your cream of wheat or flour. I prefer cream of wheat Parsad. So you want to move it around so that it don't burn and until you get that desired color you're looking for. I like my Parsad nice and brown. So next to this pot, I'm gonna add my milk. And just remember, this just needs to be warm, okay? So you're not going to bring this milk to a boil. It just needs to be warm. That's all. I'm going to add my milk. I'm going to add my sugar. So into my milk, I'm going to add some elaichi pods, some clove, and some grated ginger, fresh ginger. And you're gonna move it around because you want to basically melt that sugar. And here you see I have my Parsad, my cream of wheat. So you just want to keep moving it around every so often. Guys, I'm moving real quick right now, right? And to my sweet rice, I'm just gonna add a little bit of that ginger, and I'll still add a little bit of elaichi. And so I want to take this time to shout out the owner of Burger Delight. They're located in Montrose. Now he's the one who mentioned to me that he makes Parsad this way with just milk, with full cream milk. And I decided to try it. He makes Parsad for his temple, and he's like, this is the best Parsad ever. He loves my recipe, but at the same time he's explaining to me his recipe. So guys, if you all have tricks too, you want to share it down below, I could always try it, and I'm happy to share and try your recipes as well. So yeah, a lot of respect and thanks goes out to Burger Delight today. Thank you so much. I pop into Burger Delight now and again when I feel like eating a piece of roti or dal and rice and I don't want to make it. So yeah, and it's so good. It's delicious food. So if you all have never been to Burger Delight, you'll need to check it out. And excuse me, no makeup face. I just wake up and I'm just trying to make this quick so we could do one. Okay, so my Parsad, I love this color so far. So this is almost finished. I have my pot going here again, guys. Don't forget, this just needs to be warm. So I'm going to add my evaporated milk to this. My sweet rice is also nice and soft. My rice, that is. So I'm going to add coconut milk to this. Give it a stir. Yeah, and I'm going to just leave it to simmer a bit and get nice and sticky. Before I pour this in, I'm just gonna scoop these out, and my elaichi pods too. Okay, just scoop it out. I'm gonna pour my syrup into my parched cream of wheat now. Just enough to cover the top of your mixture, and then you're gonna stir really quickly, keep stirring. It's already starting to come in, so at this point I'm gonna add some raisins. I particularly don't really like raisins too much, but I like what it looks like in Parsad. I'm going to add elaichi. So next I'm gonna prepare my suhari and lapsi. So I have all my ingredients here. I'm gonna link it down below for you all. Okay, I'm gonna just mix all these together until it's nice and crummy, and then sort of like a pastry dough. And then I'm gonna knead in my water. I'm gonna pour my water in and knead it into a nice firm dough. Okay, so I have my dough here. I'm gonna set it aside. Just cover it and set it aside. And now I'm going to add my milk. This will be for my lapsi, which is that filling that goes into the suhari little baby roti. I'm gonna whisk it until that sugar dissolves. There we go. Next, let's check our sweet rice. Okay, now to this, remember I had some of the syrup remaining, so I'm gonna pour it into my sweet rice mixture. So nothing goes to waste. And I'll just leave this to thicken up. And mommy is helping me roll them out and press them out. These are the suhari rotis. Show your flame on very low, and I'm gonna strain this mixture into this. And keep turning, keep whisking this until it gets nice and thick. Just remember you can't over fry these. You like probably just flip them twice and just a couple seconds on both sides. Okay, so when you see your pag boil, like reach this consistency, nice and thick and kind of fluffy and cloudy, you're gonna take your stove off. Good. Bring it off the burner, and you're gonna just kind of keep turning to cool this down a bit. So just keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. And when it almost starts crystallizing at the bottom, then you want to add your toasted sesame seeds. And keep turning vigorously. And I can actually see the crystal formation on the sides of the pot already. Tiny bit of water. Boil. So these are the ones that I poured out, and these are the ones that I spoon onto onto the tray. Let's see how easy it comes off. It's still a little hot, but it's pretty good. Tilli cake. Okay, so I'm just assembling the Lapsi and Suhari for our Durga Puja, just like this, and it goes here. Yep, that's it. Here, princess. Zoe, look Parsad. Zoe, princess, look. So prayers finished, and now I'm making quesadillas with my flourless wraps. Let me show you guys what I'm up to. And my sink full of wares in the back there. Oh my god. So I have my work cut out. So let me show you guys a little peek on what I'm doing. These are my wraps. Yum. See? These are all my flourless wraps. I would link that video down below for you guys to check it out. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm always forgetting to close off my vlogs. Hopefully this year is a better year. So I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for watching again, and all the recipes shown today I will definitely link it down below.